This is Sam. I'm going to do a short video of how to get another key for a existing key. Maybe you want an extra key, or maybe you want to just make like a custom key for you. So I've got a 2006 Lincoln LS that only came with one key, and unfortunately it didn't have a key fob. So what I did is I ordered a key offline and kind of customized my own key, and I'm gonna kind of show you how it was done and go through the process here, and show you the car a little bit too, and let you know it works. um, Stay with me and we'll come back and I'll show you the keys. My car, it's 2006 Lincoln LS. Like I said, it's new to me but not a new car. Here's my key fobs that I was talking about. I got the original key right there. That's the one I got from the dealership. Of course, it didn't have any key fob with it. And here's the one that I made up. I got the key cut. The remote's programmed. Make sure you get a 40-bit key fob. The 80-bit does not work. This was an 80-bit, but I got the guts changed out in it. And you have to have a 40-bit to run your car. And Batteries Plus, where I bought, where I got this programmed and key cut for really cheap. I think it was $10 to cut the key and $69 to program the key, because if you got the key, it just doesn't work. It won't turn the car on. The anti-theft thing will come on. But here you go. You see it pop the trunk and unlock the doors. Get in the car here. And I just wanted something a little different, something a little bit more customized looking. Turn it on. She starts up fine. And yeah, so this is my 2006 Lincoln LS. It's a great car so far, really low miles on it. And anybody that looking to get one of these, it's a great buy. They have all the features of a new car, and they're unbelievably fast and agile. Anyways, that's pretty much it for the key. Here is a place where I bought it. It was online, but you can pretty much look and find them anywhere. And the reason why they're sitting back in the grass here is because I've got a heater control valve I got to put in it. It's blowing hot air out on the air conditioning. But give me a thumbs up or a like, and yeah, I'll bring back some more videos of the Lincoln LS. Y'all take care and be safe out there.